Starting off fast down here at Bayfront, my man just straight drugged the skeg. Fortunately, somebody was able to yell at him to see what was going on, but I don't think my guy was stopping unless somebody yelled at him. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And here comes our Grady White crew approaching the dock. You can tell it's a windy day today. You can hear it in the background a little bit. Wind is going left to right across our screen, and let's see how Cap fares as he tries to make the approach. He's gonna have to come back a little bit more to his port side. That wind's gonna drag him right into the dock, and they've got an alarm going off of some kind. I'm not sure what that is, if it's low fuel or something else. And he looks like he's good on that part, but he's gonna have to turn back into the dock. He probably could let the wind just push him in. Oh, coming in a little hot. Bow first. Tries to brake check it. And now we go back to the forward throttle, and we're just going to run this right into the dock. So our guy's straight chilling on the swim deck. I'm not going to mention what I think he's probably doing. But Cap and them are trying to get the boat up and working here. And Cap's going back to the helm for some reason. Oh, bro, he's turning the motors on. Yo, bro, you might want to move your feet. And he's like, what the hell just happened? I don't know if Cap knows he's back there. And he's... Whoa! This is a quick way to lose a foot. My man, I don't think Cap knew he was back there. Just throttled up trying to get it pushed back on the trailer. That's a closer call than you would imagine. So, our crew that tried to lose a foot over here is on the way with the pullout. Finally have their boat ready to roll. And we've got our guy doing the final cranks on his little sea hunt here as well, trying to get it finished up. So our guy goes for the hard stop to try and get his boat to slide forward on the trailer. But now he's just stopped here, and our guy with the sea hunt's about ready to pull out. And he's got this frustrated look on his face. I guess they're blocking his path out as they inspect the boat. So you could tell he's a little agitated with where they stopped. I mean, just a few feet forward is the staging area. He kind of throws his hands in the air like, bro, what are you doing? And it looks like he's going to say something. Yeah. He's like, hey, bro, pull it over there. That guy just kind of brushes him off. And I mean, I can understand a little bit, I guess. Like I said, the staging area is just a little bit in front of them. If they just pull forward a little bit, they can do whatever they want, and they're out of everybody's way. But he's letting frustration set in. But here we go. He's going to get in his truck. And here we go, our crew's gonna pull out. He got his rear tires wet. Hopefully he doesn't wind up slipping on this. Looks pretty good though. What is he doing? No way. So he just looked these guys down for stopping and blocking this, and now he's blocking anybody who wants to get by him over here on the ramp. No way he just gave them the stare down and he's going to stop and do the exact same thing he was looking at these guys for. Oh my. It's one thing when you like call somebody out on the ramp for doing something silly, and then it's another thing when you go back and do the exact same thing they just did. And our guy's doing it right here. I mean, same thing. He didn't need to stop here. The freaking staging area is just a few feet in front of him. His crew could have walked the 50 feet that it is to get over there. But no, we're just going to sit here and, oh man, sometimes at the ramp. So our crew's working to push off to go ahead and start their day out on the water. The guy over here to the left of them is trying to get his boat on the trailer. He's been struggling though. I mean, he struggled coming into the dock. And now he's kind of drifting toward our boat. We're going to have a close call and we might have a hit. And I think they hit because I just saw his boat move. I am almost 100% positive they just hit. And our guy's going to try and back out here, but I don't know what he's doing. So he's completely, basically sideways in between the two docks here now. That's his truck and trailer on the ramp. So I'm assuming we're trying to put it up. He's going to slowly drift into the other dock. Maybe he's having some kind of mechanical issues because he really struggled when he was trying to dock this boat earlier as well. It does look like the engine's off all of a sudden again. There we go, restarted. I guess what's confusing to me is if you were having engine trouble, why wouldn't you have just walked it onto the trailer? I mean, he was on the dock on the left. All he had to do was walk it up the trailer. So let's see how he fares as he tries to get it up there now. After hitting somebody's boat, landing on the other dock. And now he's coming in a little hot. But that might be intentional, hoping the motor doesn't stall out again. And I think you're going to miss, bro. I don't see you making this turn now. Gives it a little gas, but I think we're just going to run it right into the dock. And so far for all that, he's back where he started. And again, maybe your best bet, bro, is just to walk this one up. You might be trying a little too hard. Up. Is he gonna hit? And we're a little sideways on the trailer. Let's see if he can run it up. Try and get it leveled back out. And man, oh man, it looks like he's finally kind of got it on there. Nope, we're gonna kick out back to the dock one more time. The struggle is real for our guy. But he's gonna power it up. And he looks like he'll probably be able to get it on from here and be able to get on his way. And speaking of getting on their way, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.